Hello guys, back again with me. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and give this video a thumbs up. So in today's video, I'm gonna make a tutorial on how to edit a chipmunk voice in Adobe Premiere Pro. So yeah, let's get started. So first, you're gonna start by selecting an audio clip and dragging into your timeline. And yeah, I already get a clip. Let me just play back.
Hello, MOLXINOUS TECH here.
Next, go into Effects and search for Pitch Shifter. Click and drag the pitch shifter onto the audio clip. Click on the Edit button to bring up the menu. Adjust the semitones and stands to create the shift you want. Higher values equal higher voice, lower values lower voice. Make sure to change the precision to high precision. Now play your audio.
Hello, MOLXINOUS TECH here.
And that's it, now you have a chipmunk sound effect. It's really easy to do in Premiere Pro. You can add another audio effects to build whatever voice you want. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.